Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Dr. Sannan Rehman and today we'll be discussing about gut tube and the body cavities. The lecture will be divided into 5 subsections. The first subsection is called tube on a tube. We'll see why we call it that. It is further divided into neurulation, formation of gut tube, and splitting of the intraembryonic mesoderm. The second section is formation of body cavity, which is further subdivided into splitting of the lateral plate mesoderm, primitive body cavity, ventral body wall, and the vitelline duct. The third section is further divided, is serous membranes and is further divided into parietal and visceral layers, the dorsal and ventral mesenteries. The fourth section of this presentation is clinical correlates, which includes ectopia cordis, gastroschisis, bladder and cloacal extrophy, and omphalocele versus gastroschisis. The last subsection includes diaphragm and thoracic cavity. We'll talk about septum transversum and the thoracic cavity, the formation and development of diaphragm and its clinical correlates, the diaphragmatic hernia. I hope you're excited to learn more about this. For this, you have to keep watching sqadia.com.